Alrighty traders, hello everybody. So this video is focusing on the stock market only, and I want to have a question for you. I have a question for you. What's going on with the stock market today? What's with all the green today? I thought the top was in. What's going on with all the green? I've been seeing so many people short in the markets right now. They're short. What's going on? What's going on? Now, here's the thing, right? Don't fight the markets. Don't fight it, guys. Don't fight it. Most of you guys know that, right? I know there's probably only, 5% of the people that watch my videos that comment in the comment section below. But just don't fight it, right, guys? Go with the markets. And what I'm all about with you guys is what I'm all about with the whole stock market. And as you can see here, like, look at just everything, right? Especially the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is super strong, right? Super strong. And I'm telling you right now, guys, one of the greatest breakouts is coming in the Russell. It is coming. And I don't want you to be very short-term focused on any single given day. I'm seeing that so much, especially with my bumblebees in my chat box. Welcome, bumblebees. Welcome. I call them bumblebees because they're like, John, you got it wrong. Yeah? It went up today. And so traders, one thing that I hope you can see, traders, that if you're trading based off a guess, like I think gold's going to go up today, I think that, like you're not going to be doing really well, right? And guys, like I'm really transparent about my actual trading results. If you think I'm full of shit, that link in the description there, go to getjohntop.com. It's an application for my coaching program. But the reason why I'm mentioning that page is I've actually got my real equity curve on there to show you that I do this stuff. So if you guys are trading really well and you guys are going to put some things in the comment section, please post your equity curve. I'm posting my equity curve, my trading account. I'm showing you my results. Please post yours. Show me yours. I'll probably hear crickets, right? Right? Because again, like I'm fully 100% transparent about this guy. Is this guy real? Is this guy real? Is he full of shit or what? Again, see testimonials, and again, I show you my real equity curve for the entire year. So you can actually see, does this guy actually do well from trading or not, okay? So the big thing that I do say about the trading the markets here, guys, the trading the stock market is just don't fight it. If we have a very strong movement in any direction, either up or down, you want to just be going with that, okay? Not trying to short the markets right now. So the big thing I do say, guys, is I still believe, by the way, I see Russell making a really big move. I've been in Russell this entire year. You do realize that, right? You're trying to short the market right now, but I've been long the Russell right now, and my options are well over 100%. I'm about to get out of them because they're about to expire soon, so I better get out of them, all right? But I'm going to probably get back into Russell again real soon because it's probably going to set up with the trade for me. But on the flip side of that, you guys that are trying to short the market right now, I've been long for a long time. And again, my options are well over 100% return. I think that got up to about 150, 160% there at one time, right? But again, I'm still in a nice profit with these trades here, right? So the whole thing about, one thing I really want to share with you guys is this, okay? You traders here, is that one of the greatest breakouts is coming. And here's what I found, okay? This is for the majority of you guys, right? Not for the 5% of bumblebees that are in the comment section going, it's like, you guys have a heart attack, right? Because, by the way, guys, when I'm doing my technical analysis, I can be wrong, right? Because I'm doing technical analysis. Do you think I trade based off technical analysis? No. What do I trade? Oh, I wait for a trading pattern that I believe in. Now, if you're that type of person, welcome to the professional side. Welcome to the professional side. 90% of you bumblebees in the comment section below, right? You guys are trading off what? Oh, well, I think this is going to happen. I'm going to try and pick the markets right now. All right. So anyway, so looking at the stock market right now, guys, and this is the actual Russell here, okay? One thing I've noticed here, whenever we do get this type of a pattern, and what is this pattern here? The pattern is this. I'll blow this chart up here. See how we're getting actually, you know what? Let's do this here. I'll bring this one up here, and I'll bring this one up here because it's much more thicker, okay? I've noticed this pattern time and time again, all right? This is one of my trading patterns that I look for. Big key for you guys. if you want to be professional, if you actually want to make good long-term money out of the markets, right? We need to stick to patterns that do well and not just of a general education around technical analysis. Technical analysis is that this is what could happen here, right? So for the pattern, one thing I've found here when it comes to the actual trading patterns, guys, is this, right? Is that I've noticed that whenever we do reach a really significant high point, so if I squeeze my charts up, notice how the Russell's right at significant high. Again, guys, if you are short in the stock market right now, even the Russell, and it's like a few percent off its all-time high and has been going up since the end of 2023, and you're trying to short it, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? Like, what, are you trying to be right? You're trying to, got the cape, right? You're trying to be right. You're trying to throw your ego around. Like, don't just go with the market. The market's getting a pullback right now. The trend has been up. Why not wait for that next leg up and then go with the market and make a much bigger profit and have a higher win-loss ratio? Anyway, I guess there are some morons in the chat box below that just want to short a very big bull market just to prove me wrong. Okay, cool. You can lose your money, right? But here's one thing I've found. Okay, here's a trading pattern that I see. This is why I believe one of the greatest breakouts is coming, and why people could be getting ready for it. Now, once again, guys, as I said before, I've always said King Russell. I've been long King Russell for the 6 months. I'm in very nicely positive territory, and I'm about to get out with a very nice profit. I'm about to get back into it as well too, right? So here's the thing. Whenever we get at a significant high point and we do get this type of a trading pattern, right? We do get this here. We get a bit of hit the high, but then we get a bit of a pullback. Again, guys, the trend is up. Don't fight the trend. I'm pretty sure most of you guys know that, right? I know it's only about 5% of the people that give me shit in the chat box below, but don't fight the market, right? It's like, I see this so many times. Again, I want you to be successful long-term, right? Not just about being lucky, you know? And if you looked at the last 6 months, where have been the best trades? With the trend. The trend has been up, right? And then so just go with it, right, guys? I promise you right now. And this is one of the biggest mistakes I'm seeing people do. They're trying to, they're short in Russell right now. You may be right. Guess what? You got it right. But then if that's been your trading approach for the entire year, you have, show me your equity curve. If that's been your trading curve, show me your equity curve. I'm showing you my equity curve. You see my equity curve. Hey, I'm transparent. If you little bumblebees want to be a little show me your equity curve. Show me your real trading account, your real trading account equity curve for this year. What have you done? Again, link in the description there, guys. If you think I'm full of shit about what I do and how I trade and so on and so forth, does this guy actually even trade? Go to getjohnshelp.com. That's my application for my coaching program. But on there's my actual real equity curve. One thing I do see, guys, is whenever we do get this pullback here, whenever we do get a pullback here, now by the way, guys, I'm going to go back to this in a minute. The reason I'm so big on this, guys, because I really want you guys, I'm trying to get people on the right side of thinking about these markets so you can be around for a long time, not just a short time, right? I'm looking for a small profit. Like, no, look for big profits. Anyway, whenever we do hit a significant high point like this and we get a bit of a pullback, if indeed the if scenarios, right? If we do get this, if we do get something like this out of the markets, right? If indeed we do get something like that and we break up above here, I have found more times than not that is the start of a really big breakout and a really big move to come, right? There are fake breakouts, false breakouts, but this is not likely to be one of them. If we do get this, I'm not saying we're going to, but if we do get that, that's my trigger to then probably look for a really nice setup in the markets, okay? So that's what I'm looking for from there. King Russell, baby, King Russell. So let's go look at this here. So that's Russell. We have a look at the S&P 500 here. S&P 500, look at this here, guys. Just a real nice update. So people trying to short it, just don't short this market, guys. I'm telling you right now, every single time you've been getting run over. That's there. It's the S&P. The NASDAQ, very nice upward trend. Here we go. Another new high. The shorts are getting killed. Shorts are getting killed, right? And then we also have the Dow Jones. Dow Jones is still having a pullback, but what's the trend still, guys? What is the trend on the Dow Jones? This is the last low. And this is the last low. So low, higher low, we could be what? We just could be making another higher low here. The trend's still up. So just don't short this bull market. Anyway, guys, that's what this video is all about. Just focusing on the stock market here. And I really wanted to do this video here about the stock market because I'm seeing, again, guys, I don't want you to be lucky. I don't want you to be right, so to speak. I want you to be professional about these markets, right? And one of the biggest things about this video is that I want you to be around a long time, right? Because one of the things that I see so many people is that you don't have any foundation to, like, let me ask you a question. Do you have any solid foundational trading plan that you're confident that you know next year is going to be an amazing year for you? Do you have that? And if the answer is no, then that's what you need to be working on, right? That's the reason why I do have my coaching program. Again, the link in the description there. But that's the reason why I do have my coaching program, right? Because it's all about, trading's not about being lucky or getting it right. If some people do short the market and they pick the top, you know, it's about having a really good, consistent plan that you can follow every single time. And I hope you can realize that. And if you are spreading yourself too thin and not going deep into one strategy, then that's where you're probably losing money, right? So rule number one, guys, is what's the trend? And the trend is your friend until the end. And those little bumblebees that are going against the trend will more likely, like what's been happening for the last 6 months, get run over.